Hi everybody. Sometimes we can't delete the file manually. In that situation, we can delete that file by using command prompt. No need to install any other softwares for deleting files. In this video, I shows that how can delete this A folder by using command prompt. For that, first you need to open the CMD by pressing Start button and then type CMD. cd /d file location. If you want to know the file location, then select the file and right-click on it and tap Properties. Now you can see the file location here. Copy the file location, then go to CMD. And give space and paste it here. Then press Enter. Now type dir/x. Then press Enter. Then CMD automatically select the deleting dir file here. You can see that here. Now you type rmdir /q /s folder name. Then press Enter. Now you can see here, it's awesome, the file was deleted. That's it. Thanks for watching.